vintage lighting.
I'm doing this for you.
Hey guys, so we are here at Ikea in Dallas, Frisco, Texas, and we are going to grab the items that we need in order to organize the RV. Come on with us and we'll take a look at what they've got to offer so we can get this tiny space organized. This section right here is really useful when we're trying to do like small items that you just want to throw things in. So little tubs, little hooks, and then this strip. I think y'all have seen this at Ikea, but it's very, very useful when wanting to store away small little items. So this item, we're looking to properly organize our documents, like the kids' school papers and any important documents that we need. So things like this would be necessary and easily accessible in one of our closet or shelves. Okay, so I needed to take my mask off so you guys can hear me a little better. But look at this one. It has 3 shelves and then this pull-out drawer, which is perfect for all of us with the soft close, hey. And check this out, a smart lock. So the lock is in here. You can't tell though. So it gives that clean look, but still being secure. Winner. Malfunction. So this is the one that we're looking at to put in our bathroom to help with more storage for our toothbrushes, hygiene products, and I think it's the perfect fit. We were measuring it and thinking it'll work out. What? Fingers crossed. I just like these because these are cute. Like, look at the top. Leftovers, salsa, dip. You know? You just need these sort of things because they're cute. So this is going to be utilized for our outdoor space right at the steps. We need something for our dirty shoes when it's all muddy and rainy to clean off. Wrapped up Ikea and we found the main thing that we needed, which was the locker for the outdoor storage for our shoes. So I'm excited to show you all that and how we store all our extra shoes outside but still kind of make it cute and functional. So we'll see you guys on the other side.